to discuss about the third chapter, acid, bases and salts. In the two chapters, we already learned about what is a reflections, how a curved surface has been formed. Second chapter, we just done with a chemical equations. I think you already learned about that, and I know my good students will already listen all the topics regarding what is meant by a chemical equation. Now guys, we gonna start a very easy and understanding and enjoyable chapter called acid, bases and salts. I think when you are in a 7th class itself, you guys already learned about what are acids and what are bases. Let me come to one conclusion. We'll have a small revise what we learned in the 7th and now what we gonna learn in the 10th. Let's take a point here. See, as you already learned acids, how can we know what is meant by an acid? We just learned about a litmus paper which can be used here. So how can we decide what is meant by litmus paper for acids and for the bases? For the both categories we using a litmus paper. Simple. For acid, what we call when it turns from blue color to red color, then we call it as a acid. Opposite to that is red color to blue color is called a base. These two small points which already we have, and how acids perform, how bases perform, what are the uses with acids and bases, when we add acid and bases what we gonna get, all these parameters we learned in the 7th chapter. So, can I tell one thing is like, that is acid and bases part 1 and this is acid and bases part 2. If you are aware of acid and bases part 1, then acid and bases of part 2 of this chapter is very much easy. But don't worry guys, I think maybe you forgot about what happened in the last classes. Don't worry, I will recollect the information what is there meanwhile whenever the topic comes up. So let me start here, acid and a base. See, we are in our day-to-day life, we will be seeing n number of acids and n number of bases. So this is a question from my end. Please text me in our groups about what are acids which you know, what are bases which you know. After seeing my video, just please post your answers over there so that I can able to know you how many are you gonna know about acid and bases. Don't worry, I will tell you the remaining topics in the session 2. Okay, after seeing your answers, because I'm learning from you guys, our boys. Don't worry on the point. Okay, so the second point is here, bases and how the salts are reacted. So in this chapter, we were doing a small minute experiments to know about the structure and the nature of acids. As simple, I think you already know about a small equation called HCl, hydrochloric acid. Simply we call it as a diluted one. Hydrochloric acid is added to the zinc crystals. We already told you one equation will be forming. It's simply, I'm telling, the output is nothing but a pop sound. We already learned about these. We already learned about these in the 2nd chapter. I think in the last session we already gone through this. How a pop sound is gonna produce. Now, just to get a point here, why every time we are gonna take a dilute HCl? What is simply HCl called as? Hydrochloric acid. What is meant by a dilute? In the sense of we added some water to that. When it is added, the concentration level of hydrochloric has reduced over there. Then it forming like as a diluted one. In the sense of the strength of an acid is gonna reduce now. So I hope you understand this right. So in this chapter, you just gonna know about what is the strength, which is strong acid, which is strong base, which is weak acid, and which is weak base. Very clear. Simple. As you already know, our body have a blood totally. What is a nature of our blood? Whether it is acid or a base. Please text me your answers over there. So we will be coming to the next classes. You will be understanding whether your answer is right or wrong. Right. Let me coming to the point here. So how these diluted hydrochloric acid will be used for different parameters over here. So let me take some assumptions which we already know clearly. The first and outstanding thing is like here, I am taking a magnesium ribbon. magnesium ripper. So when I'm just taking this magnesium ripper, then these are reacted with HCl in the sense of dilute hydrochloric acid. There is an acid. I'm using some different kind of chemical strong bases. When we adding that to that, what will be the equations comes over there, which is already there in your activity. So let's take a point here. Magnesium ripper, and the second one is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, and the third one is eggshells. So guys, you already think about, you already known about what is a magnesium ripper. When it will burn, it flame like a white color flame which comes out of from that, and the small droplets will directly fall on the floor when you are burning it. So here we just again come back to the chemical equations, how a chemical equation is used to form these kind of reactions when they are reacted with some chemical. See, when the magnesium is burned, automatically it can fall in small droplets over there. Then what is the reason of dropping a droplets? How can a sodium hydroxide can be formed? And how the eggshells are to be forming over there? Then what is the nature of strong acids? To remember some chemicals into our body of precipitations, we need to stop it out. So, as we discussing about these three parameters, when we don't know what kind of equation should be added, what kind of an equations we need to add for all these three formations, I have just given a shortcut to you to remember the formulatical method of chemicals. What that is, just look at it. Please stop calling me donkey. So, just look at here, what is this? Please stop calling me careless donkey. Instead, try how copper saves gold. I'm just repeating you once again. Please stop calling me careless donkey. Instead, try how copper saves gold. For this, what we do is, P, here we have, I'll write here potassium. Yes. C, calcium, magnesium, I've written all the elements here. I have for you only one thing, D. Can anyone able to tell me what is meant by D for this? Simple. Please stop calling me careless donkey. Instead, try how copper saves gold. For that, potassium, sulfur, calcium, magnesium, chromium, dubarium, iodine, tin, hydrogen, copper, silver, and gold. But here, for this donkey, I am taking here as a nickel here, instead of that one, to get you be understanding. That's why I just left only one topic. So see, if you remember these one, you will be knowing what kind of chemicals are available to us to find how it are going to be formed. The first thing, please stop calling me careless donkey. Instead, try how copper saves gold. Same way, potassium, sulfur, calcium, magnesium, chromium, nickel, iodine, tin, in the sense of it will be calling as lead, hydrogen, copper, silver, and gold. All these elements are reactivity elements which are reacted with each and everything. Sorry, I just forget to ask you guys. Can anyone tell me what is an eggshell chemical? Can anyone knows that one? If you knows, directly just post the question answer over there when you are just trying to look at this videos over there. Nothing but we call it as a calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Simply we calling it as a calcium carbonate, CaCO3. When sodium hydroxide we calling as NaOH. So all these are going to be acted like as a chemical equation values. When you just take the equation to one point to the another point, both to be combined together to give out some other equations. Let's take a point here, magnesium. Magnesium is simply calling it as Mg. We call it magnesium as an Mg. Let's take an example, Mg plus HCl. What it forms of? We can call it as MgCl2 plus H2. To make it an equation of a balance, what we need to do? We need to add 2 to the HCl, then the both equations are to be get balanced. That is, equation can be formed for the first one. Same like as sodium hydroxide. What is HCl? Is taking as sodium hydroxide, NaOH. What will be the equation? Simple. H will be the plus, Cl will be the minus, Na will be the plus, and OH will be the minus. I already insist you and already told you how a positive and how a negative are gonna form an equation. So see here, what is that? Hydrogen plus will be forming with a minus, and where this is a plus which is gonna form with minus. Then what will be the equation? H2O plus NaCl. See, while we are just writing, we need to give a plus in the first, minus to be in the last. And here it will be a plus and will be a minus. As simple as that, you know that one H plus and OH minus. It is not simple OH minus, right? So Na and Cl. Can you tell me what is my NaCl? Simply we call it as a salt. Can you tell me what is H2O? We already know about that. It will be a water. Same way, if I take CaCO3, when it is added with HCl, then what will be the equation? Simple. Ca is plus, CO3 is minus, H is plus, Cl is minus. Right? So can I call it CaCl2 plus H2CO3? Because I need to take 2 times of hydrogen for this. Simple. So when I am taking 2 times of hydrogen, I am forming CaCl2 plus H2CO3. But it is absolutely wrong. Cannot write that because H2CO3 is not a reactive agent. It cannot be formed any kind of a reaction over there. To change the reaction, I am just segregating it to form like as CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. Simply nothing but CaCl2 is a solid particle which can be formed as an aqueous solution and formed with a water and formed with a gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Simply can I call it as a matter? Yes. The matter consists of solid, liquid and gases. We already learned about this in the 9th chapter. Simple equation. So CaCO3 is forming with hydrochloric acid and forming with CaCl2 plus H2O and plus CO. So the equation takes place to form one chemical to the another chemicals here. So don't worry, when you just open your textbook, you will be having your activity 1, activity 2 and activity 3. When you check out these 3 activities, the example method was different from here, but the methodology of using chemicals are same here. So if you want to change any chemical from here, you can select any chemical from this and you can add the chemical and you can use these equations also. There is nothing to be restriction like you need to use the chemical for this methodology. You can use any kind of a chemical, how it is going to be formed. And every chemical shows what will be the reaction, how it will be forming at what kind of a state over there. Whether it is going to be forming in a gaseous state or whether it is going to be forming in a solid state or whether it is going to be forming in liquid state. All the states are given with a equivalent and output reactions of these elements. So here, we are going to know what an acid to be doing and what an base is doing when we are adding what kind of reactions are to be forming at any particular instance here. So don't worry, by the next session we were just going to know about what happens when this acid is reacted with the metals. When acid is reacted with the non-metals, what will be the reactions and what will be going to become. So please just go through this and any doubts just ping me in the group or WhatsApp. If any doubts you can touch with me and any doubts if you're there, I'll be discussing the same doubts in this and you have a channel so you can also keep posting the questions over there. I'll look at the questions over there and I'll just explain those questions and answers by the next session before starting and then later we go for the next session. So all the very best friends, thank you.